Hello and welcome to Doctor for Seniors. Today we are going to take a delicious journey together. We will explore how to prepare 5 simple and healthy meals every single day that will nourish your body, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and keep your mind sharp and active. This is not a complicated cooking class. It is a guide for everyday eating that is easy, affordable, and incredibly beneficial for seniors. Whether you are cooking for yourself or for someone you love, this video will give you practical tips that you can use right away. Before we begin, let us take a moment to understand why food is so important as we get older. Our bodies change with age. Muscle mass may decrease, bones can become weaker, memory might not be as sharp, and the heart needs more gentle care. But here is the good news. What you eat every day can make a huge difference in how you feel, how you move, and how you think. Healthy eating is not about strict rules. It is about making better choices, one meal at a time. In this video, we will go step by step through 5 meals you can enjoy in a single day. We will talk about the ingredients in detail, what vitamins and minerals they contain, and why they are perfect for seniors. We will also go over how to prepare them in a simple way, and I will share some extra tips to keep things exciting in your kitchen. So get comfortable and let us begin. General nutrition principles for seniors before we start with the meals. Let us talk about the basic principles of healthy eating for seniors. First, variety is key. Eating a wide range of foods ensures you get all the nutrients your body needs. Second, choose fresh and minimally processed foods whenever possible. Fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are the foundation of a good diet. Third, watch your salt and sugar intake. Too much salt can raise blood pressure, and too much sugar can increase the risk of diabetes and weight gain. Fourth, drink enough water throughout the day, but do not drink too much at once. Finally, remember that every meal is an opportunity to take care of yourself. With these principles in mind, let us move on to the first meal of the day. Meal 1, breakfast. Oatmeal with blueberries and walnuts breakfast is the first gift you give to your body each day. For this meal, we will prepare a warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh blueberries and crunchy walnuts. This combination is a powerhouse of nutrients. Let us talk about the ingredients one by one. Oatmeal is made from whole oats, which are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan. This type of fiber helps lower bad cholesterol, supports heart health, and keeps you feeling full for longer. Oats also provide B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, which support energy and muscle function. Blueberries are small but packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, improve memory, and protect the brain from age-related decline. They also provide vitamin C for immune support and fiber for digestion. Walnuts are an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which protect the heart and support brain function. They also contain protein, magnesium, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. How to prepare: start by boiling 1 cup of water or low-fat milk or almond milk in a small pot. Add half a cup of rolled oats and reduce the heat to low. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring gently until creamy. Once cooked, remove from heat and add half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts on top. If you like a little sweetness, you can drizzle a small amount of honey, but this is optional. Extra tips: you can add sliced banana or diced apple for extra flavor and nutrients. If you have difficulty chewing walnuts, try grinding them into smaller pieces. Meal 2, morning snack: Greek yogurt with honey and chia seeds between breakfast and lunch. It is good to have a light snack to keep energy levels steady. This snack is creamy, delicious, and very nutritious. Greek yogurt is thicker than regular yogurt and contains more protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass as we age. It also provides calcium for strong bones and probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that support digestion and gut health. Honey is a natural sweetener that contains small amounts of antioxidants and has mild antibacterial properties. Remember to use honey in moderation, as it is still a form of sugar. Chia seeds are tiny seeds rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus.
They help improve heart health, support strong bones, and promote digestion. How to prepare: in a small bowl, add 1 cup of plain low-fat Greek yogurt. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chia seeds on top. Mix well and enjoy. Extra tips: you can soak chia seeds in water for 10 minutes before adding them to make them softer. For extra flavor, add a few slices of fresh strawberry or kiwi. Meal 3. Lunch: pan-seared salmon with fresh vegetable salad. Lunch is your main source of protein and healthy fats for the day. We will prepare salmon, which is one of the best fish for seniors. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and support brain function. It also contains vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and maintain bone strength. Salmon is also a good source of high-quality protein. For the salad, we will use fresh lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado.
Lettuce provides fiber and hydration. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health. Cucumber is refreshing and hydrating with vitamins K and C. Avocado is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. How to prepare: season a salmon fillet with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Heat a nonstick pan with a teaspoon of olive oil. Place the salmon skin side down and cook for about 4 minutes. Then flip and cook another 3 minutes until done. For the salad, wash and chop lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber. Slice the avocado and add it to the salad. For the dressing, Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of honey. Pour over the salad and toss gently. Serve the salmon alongside the salad. Extra tips: you can replace salmon with mackerel or sardines if desired. Avoid frying the fish in a lot of oil to keep it healthy. Meal 4, afternoon snack: spinach, banana, almond milk smoothie. In the afternoon, a smoothie is a perfect way to boost energy without feeling too full. Spinach is a leafy green rich in vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium for bone health. It also contains lutein, which supports eye health, and antioxidants that protect the body from damage. Bananas are naturally sweet and rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure. They also provide vitamin B6 for brain health and fiber for digestion. Almond milk is a dairy-free milk option that is low in calories and provides vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports skin and heart health. How to prepare in a blender: add 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Blend until smooth. You can add a teaspoon of honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. Extra tips: add a tablespoon of flax seeds or ground oats for extra fiber. If you like a colder smoothie, add a few ice cubes before blending. Meal 5, dinner: chicken mushroom soup with whole grain bread. Dinner should be light yet nourishing. This soup is warm, comforting, and easy to digest. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein that supports muscle repair and maintenance without adding too much fat. Mushrooms are rich in vitamin D, selenium, and antioxidants, which support immune health and strong bones. Carrots add beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A for healthy eyes and skin. How to prepare in a pot: add 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. Add 1 chicken breast and cook for about 15 minutes. Remove the chicken and shred it into small pieces. In the same pot, sauté sliced mushrooms and diced carrots in a teaspoon of olive oil for 3 minutes. Add the shredded chicken back to the pot and season lightly with salt and pepper. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Serve with a slice of whole grain bread on the side. Extra tips: you can replace chicken with white fish or tofu. Add parsley or cilantro for extra flavor and vitamin C. Closing remarks: now you have a complete plan for 5 healthy meals in a single day. Each meal is designed to give you the nutrients you need to protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and keep your mind active and sharp. Remember that healthy eating is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Even if you cannot follow this plan every day, try to include at least some of these meals into your weekly routine. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to Doctor for Seniors. Click the like button and share this with your friends and family so they too can enjoy better health and a longer, happier life. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.